Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Today I'm going to introduce 3 new transmission mock-up blocks that we just released. In front of me I have the 6R80, the 6R80, and the 8HP70. As you can tell, the 8HP70 is disassembled, and this is how you will receive it when you get your package in the mail. So the 6R80 is a very popular GM heavy-duty 4-speed transmission. The 6R80 is a Ford transmission that was offered in the 2009 to present F-150 trucks. And the 8HP70 is a very popular 8-speed that was behind a variety of different vehicles, including the Mopars, like the Challengers, also BMWs and Jeeps. So all these transmissions have a very good aftermarket transmission controller support, and they're great transmissions to swap into your vehicle. And using the mock-up blocks, it makes it a very easy swap to put into your vehicle. If you want to find out more about these mock-up blocks, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.